Welcome back to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or link your Netmarble ID on the 7 Deadly Sins Origin PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 7 Deadly Sins Origin PC game on your device, and right within the homepage, you will see the Link Netmarble ID option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see various different options, including your Google, your Apple, and your Facebook accounts. If you have already created your account using these in the first place, then you can continue forward. Or you can also proceed to sign up with either one of these methods. If you want to sign up using the email, click on Sign in with email, and then click on Create an account in order to sign up. After agreeing with the terms and conditions, just enter your preferred email address. Now click on Send Verification Email, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your email, and you will find these code. After entering your verification code, click on the Confirm button, and now you can set up your password for your account. Just type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Now click on the next button and your Netmarble ID will now successfully be created. You can use this account to log into your game anytime in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up with your Netmarble account on the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.